Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into how to use ClickUp's built-in calendar for team scheduling, your complete guide for 2025. First up, on your ClickUp dashboard, locate and click on the Calendar tab. This is where we'll be doing most of our work. This step is important because the Calendar tab is the command center for organizing and visualizing your team's tasks and schedules. Now that we've done that, let's add some tasks. To do this, click on any day of the calendar, then select Add Task. From here, you can input the task title, assignee, and due date. The reason we do this is to ensure that all tasks are accounted for and assigned to the right team member. Next up, we're going to set a task's duration. Click on the task, then drag the bottom edge to adjust the duration. This helps us because it allows us to block out the appropriate amount of time for each task, making our team's schedule more accurate and realistic. Now let's talk about task dependencies. Click on a task, then select Dependencies. Here, you can link tasks that rely on each other. This is crucial because it helps your team understand the task sequence and prevents any holdups. Finally, let's share this calendar with our team. Click on Share in the top right corner, then select Share Calendar. Enter your team members' email addresses, and voila! They now have access to the team calendar. This final step is essential because it ensures everyone is on the same page and can access the team's schedule anytime, anywhere. And that's it, a quick, simple guide to using ClickUp's built-in calendar for team scheduling. Remember, effective scheduling is all about visibility and communication, so make the most of these features. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.